Welcome children in the second video of science for class 7 chapter 1 nutrition in plants. Students, in first video we have seen about autotrophic mode of nutrition in plants. Now in this section we will describe about heterotrophic nutrition in plants. हेटरोट्रॉफिक मीन्स परपोषी। तो इस सेक्शन में हम ऐसे पौधों के बारे में पढ़ेंगे जो खुद से भोजन नहीं बनाते हैं, बल्कि वे अपने भोजन के लिए दूसरे पौधों पर या कुछ जंतुओं पर आश्रित होते हैं। Now on the basis of heterotrophic nutrition, we divide plants in 4 parts. First, parasitic plant. Second, saprophytic. Third, symbiotic. And fourth, insectivorous plant. Parasitic plant. Parasites means परभक्षी means कि ये आश्रित होते हैं। As they obtain their food from their host plants. In fact, they have a special root-like structure that called haustoria, and this haustoria is just pricked by them in the tissues of host plant, and thus through the haustoria they suck their nutrients and completes the requirement of their nutrition. Even there are 2 types of parasites are found. First, total parasite. Total parasite means this type of parasite completely dependent on their host plant, as Doda, एपेडोंथस, ये अपना भोजन खुद नहीं बनाएंगे, बल्कि वे पूरी तरह से अपने मेजबान पौधे के ऊपर डिपेंड करते हैं। उनके बनाए हुए भोजन को ये अवशोषित करते हैं। एंड सेकेंड, पार्शियल पैरासाइट हु are able to make their food by photosynthesis, but they get their minerals from their host plant to completion of food. Thus, we go forward. Saprophytic means saprophytic plants are those who obtain their food from dead and decaying matter of plants and animals. मीन्स इस तरह के जो पौधे होते हैं वह अपना भोजन हरे पौधों से नहीं लेते हैं, बल्कि वे ऐसे जगह पर उगते हैं, वे ऐसे जगह पर अपना आश्रय स्थल बनाते हैं जहां से वे किसी मरे हुए जंतु या किसी मरे हुए पौधे के अंश से ये अपना भोजन प्राप्त कर लेते हैं। एंड सो दे आर कॉल्ड saprophytic. As mushroom molds, as you have seen molds on bread, जनरली सामान्य तौर पर आपने देखा होगा बरसात के दिनों में कहीं रोटी या ब्रेड हम रख देते हैं गलती से, और वह किसी अंधेरे जगह में अगर रखे रह जाते कई दिनों तक, तो नमी के कारण उन पर कुछ फफूंद जैसे उजले रंग के या भूरे रंग के कुछ पदार्थ जमा हो जाते हैं। These are the molds. And mushroom, you know about it. Obviously, you are knowing, you are aware about it, which can be seen on the part of animal dungs and some of the broken twigs, logs of the plant. Symbiotic. Symbiotic means it is made up by the word symbiosis. Symbiosis means ananyo ashrit. Means in symbiotic relationship, two plants complete the requirement of their food materials themselves mutually. Mutually means एक दूसरे के लिए, वे एक दूसरे के लिए कार्य करते हैं. In these two plants, one synthesize their food materials while other collect the raw materials for the synthesis of food. And lichens is the best example for this symbiotic relationship in which alga and fungus are categorized. Fungus just collect the minerals and water from the soil, while alga synthesize the food, make the food, because alga has chlorophyll. And after the formation of food, these two plants eat their food materials mutually. And last comes insectivores, means कीट भक्षी. They are as known by their name कि this type of plants form their food materials by the help of insects. In fact, this type of plants are also able to make their food materials themselves because they have chlorophyll. They can trap solar energy. They can complete the process of photosynthesis. They have also minerals, carbon dioxide available, but for the compression of nitrogen, they kill the insect and get the nitrogen for the requirement of their nutrition. Venus flytrap, pitcher plant are the types of insectivorous plant. In Venus flytrap, there are a good structure of the leaf, which is just made up by good colors, and it attracts the color of the flower, attracts the insect towards it, and as soon as an insect just sit on the leaf start closing, and after the intaking the nitrogen, after the killing the insect, again they opens. And pitcher plant, they have also a special leaf which have a twig, which has the tip of the leaf is joined by a thread-like structure, and a pitcher is joined with it. The lid of the pitcher opens till any insect come towards it and sit on the pitcher. अब जैसे ही कोई इंसेक्ट उस घड़े के ऊपरी भाग में उसके पार्ट पर पहुंचता है, जस्ट आफ्टर दैट द लिड क्लोजेस, उसका ढक्कन बंद होता है, एंड द इनसाइड part of the pitcher is filled with hair-like structure in which the insect is being tangled, and some digestive enzymes start secreting from their digestive glands, which trap the insect and kill the insect after After the eating them, they start again, they come in their previous shape. अब जब वह जंतु, जब वह कीट उस रेशे में फंस जाता है, वह इसके तुरंत डाइजेस्टिव एंजाइम क्या होते हैं, निकलने शुरू हो जाते हैं, और फिर जब वह जंतु मर जाता है, पुनः उसके ढक्कन खुल जाते हैं और जंतु के, और फिर वह दूसरे जंतुओं को आकर्षित करने के लिए तैयार हो जाते हैं। नाउ चिल्ड्रेन, वी हैव कंप्लीटेड द chapter. Now this is the time to do some objective question given in your book.